Are you ready? Open your mind. Now, every day hackers is increasing and people's life in the internet is unsafe. But thank God, there is a way to escape. This process will help you in 2023, 2024, 2025 and more. In this video, I'm going to focus on how you can top up your Facebook security by making it bulletproof and impenetrable. Here is how. Warning: make sure in any account you secure with Authenticator app, you must have its recovery code to avoid lockout, or in case your device was stolen, to have the ability to re-log in if you want to use the account again. Now I'm going to break it down in steps. Step 1. Open the Facebook application and log in into the account you want to secure. Step 2. On Facebook Lite, click on the tray line icon. On Facebook, click on the profile icon. From here, the process is still the same. Now find Setting and Privacy, click on it. Step 3. Click on Settings. Step 4. Slide down till you find Security and Login. Click on it. Step 5. Now slide down till you find two-factor authentication. Click on it. Step 6. Click on the authentication app. There are two ways to do this. 1. By barcode scanning. 2. By copying the code word. Let's use the second way, which is more understandable and simple. By copying the barcode words and paste it in the third-party authentication application. What I prefer you use is Google Authenticator. Here is how. Step 7.
Select Authentication app, then you tap Continue. So a QR code is going to be created for you, and a code is also going to be created for you down here. Now do not share this code or this QR code with anyone. The reason why it is visible for you right now is because I'll be creating a new one immediately I'm done making this video. What you want to do now is just long press on the text down here. You can see it says text copied to clipboard, so you tap Continue. Alright, so with the text copied, you head back to Authenticator, then you tap here, this plus button down here. Next you tap Enter a setup key. First I'm going to enter the setup key that I copied from Facebook. And now I'm going to give it a name just so I know what has this key. So it's going to be Facebook. Alright, so this one can be left the way it is, and then you tap Add. So as you can see, you have this code here with this timer that is slowly running down. So this is the 6-digit code that you're going to be using whenever you want to access your Facebook account, like when you log out and you log in. And this code changes every, I think, 30 seconds. I'm not really sure. So as you can see, a new one has been generated. So to copy this one, just tap and hold it. And it says verification code copied to clipboard. Now I'm going to quickly head back to Facebook. And I'm going to paste the code. And then I'll tap Continue. So as you can see, it says two-factor authentication is on. So I'll just tap Done. And yeah, it is now turned on.
The 6-digit code will be asked when you want to log in into your Facebook from a new device. Write out the recovery code and hide it where only you know of. Unless you want to die, you can tell anyone. If you love this video and you want more, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Here are the best authenticator applications.